Hi everyone! Today I'm going to share a book, and the title is 3 Things I Like About No Talking. 3 Things I Like About No Talking. The first thing is that the competition held by 5th grade students was interesting and meaningful, just like Gandhi in the book. By not talking, he can settle his mind. When people keep talking, they are often just talking nonsense without thinking. Instead, staying silent can clear our mind, give us a chance to talk with ourselves, and ponder on what we never think over. Although the game time is not so long, I believe that every student had tried their best to think different things. The second one is Teacher Bruton's teaching way about the change of students. Teacher Bruton continued his style to teach students when school tried to stop their competition. He observed every student in the class, how they used different methods to communicate with each other. He even once write papers with this whimsical competition. I think this is a good idea, because children's creativity is unlimited. We shouldn't struggle their curious to the world. By the way, despite of books, learning can be everywhere in the life. I think all the students had learned something important in this fun competition. The next one is the dramatic change of principal's attitude. Different from other teachers. She's not only brave enough to admit her mistake, but also listen attentively to the reason why 5th grade students held the competition. From the beginning, she wants students to be quiet. But when they start to be silent, she just wants them to restore their noisy to its original state. At last, she even participated in their competition. The principal's change is very amusing, and the childlike heart is commendable too. The above is my report. Thanks for listening.